So imagine this. You put on some headphones
You go to sleep?
and you wake up fluent in English. Like, is that actually possible?
I mean, it sounds like complete magic, right? Like a sci-fi movie.
Yeah, like The Matrix. I know Kung Fu.
Exactly. But today we are talking about sleep learning.
Because let's be honest, everyone is like super busy. Nobody has time.
Right. The problem is people want a shortcut. They hate studying grammar for hours.
I hate studying grammar. It's so boring.
So the big question is, does listening to English while you sleep actually do anything?
My guess, absolute scam. 100%.
Well, hold on, Alex. It's kind of in the middle.
Wait, so it works? I can just sleep and learn?
No. Let me explain. You cannot learn new things from zero.
Oh, dreams crushed.
Sorry, but your brain is actually incredibly active when you sleep.
Like, how active? Because I feel pretty dead when I sleep.
Okay, imagine your brain is like an office.
An office. Okay.
During the day, you're throwing papers everywhere. New words, rules, conversations. Just a total mess on the desk. Right. And when you sleep, it's like a night worker comes in.
A little cleaner guy?
Exactly. A little cleaner who organizes all the papers into folders.
Oh, I get it. So sleep organizes the information.
Yes. In science, they call this memory consolidation, but basically it means saving the file.
Wait, so if I learn a word during the day,
Mm-hmm.
and then I hear it while I sleep, does the cleaner guy put it in a VIP folder?
That is actually a perfect way to say it. Yes.
Really? Wow. I am smart today.
It's true, though. If you study some vocabulary on Tuesday afternoon,
Okay, say I study the word apple.
sure, apple. If you play an audio track with that word while you sleep,
Uh-huh.
your brain hears it and says, oh, I saw this earlier. This must be important.
So it makes the memory stronger. It doesn't create a new one.
Exactly. You can't learn a language from zero in your sleep, but you can strengthen what you already studied.
Okay, wait. Let's back up. How do we know this isn't just, fake internet science?
Because researchers literally tested this. They did this cool experiment in Switzerland.
Okay, I trust the Swiss. They make good chocolate.
Right. So they took two groups of students who were learning Dutch.
Dutch. Okay, cool.
Both groups studied some new words at 10 p.m.
Late night studying. I remember those days.
Then one group went to sleep, and the scientists played the words quietly while they slept.
Did it wake them up? Because I would be so angry.
No, they kept it very quiet, just soft enough for the brain to hear, but not wake them up.
And the other group?
The other group stayed awake and just listened to the words again.
Oh, that sounds awful.
Yeah, and guess who remembered the words better the next day?
I'm gonna guess the sleeping group because of the little cleaner guy in the brain.
Bingo! The sleeping group did significantly better on the test.
That is crazy. So Sam, I really can just play a YouTube video of English words while I nap.
Well, there is a catch.
Ah, I knew it. There's always a catch.
It only works during a specific part of your sleep, not the whole night.
Wait, what do you mean? Like, I have to time it?
Yeah, you have different stages of sleep, right? Like deep sleep and dream sleep.
Dream sleep. That's when I dream about forgetting my pants at work.
Right, exactly. That's called REM sleep. But the learning part, it doesn't happen then.
Oh, so when does the little brain cleaner actually work?
During deep sleep, slow wave sleep. It's like your brain's filing cabinet is wide open.
Oh, okay, filing cabinet open. Got it.
But here's the crazy part, Alex. You cannot learn completely new stuff.
Wait, what? Are you kidding me?
Nope. If I play like Russian words while you sleep and you don't know any Russian,
I just wake up speaking Russian?
no, you wake up confused and probably very tired.
Dang it. So, what is the point then?
It only works for things you've already started learning. It reinforces the memory.
Oh, I get it now.
Yeah, like if you studied a short list of English animals yesterday.
Like a dog, a cat, a hippopotamus?
Exactly. If you hear those words while in deep sleep,
Your brain is like, oh, I know this.
And it files them away permanently.
You got it. It strengthens the memory. It's like putting superglue on it.
So, wait, Sam, how do I actually do this tonight?
Okay, here is your homework. This is the practice step.
My homework. All right, I'm ready.
first, study 10 new English words right before bed.
just 10.
10 words. Easy. I can do 10.
Then find a simple audio track of those exact words.
Mm-hmm.
Put it on a very low volume, like super, super quiet.
Because if it's loud, I'll just wake up annoyed, right?
Right. And set a sleep timer on your phone for like 90 minutes.
Wait, why 90 minutes? Why not leave it on all night?
Because it takes about an hour to get into deep sleep. And
Oh, and if it plays all night, it ruins my REM sleep.
Boom! Exactly, Alex. You'd wake up completely exhausted.
Okay, so 90 minutes, 10 words, low volume.
Yep. And then you wake up a vocabulary genius. Well, maybe just 10 words smarter.
Hey, that is still 10 words. I'm literally doing this tonight.
You really should. It's basically a free brain upgrade while you snooze.
I still can't get over that little brain cleaner guy we talked about.
He works the night shift, man.
He does, but he only works on the VIP list, which is the words we just studied.
Wow, you just perfectly summarized the whole concept. I love it.
I try. But seriously, this is huge for anyone learning English.
It really is. It totally takes the pressure off.
Yeah, because you don't have to grind for hours. Just review, sleep, repeat.
So, we have a quick challenge for everyone listening right now.
Ooh, a challenge. I am so down for challenges.
Tonight, try this 90-minute trick.
Yeah, pick 10 words, maybe some tough ones.
Exactly. And let us know in the comments if it actually worked for you.
Like, did you wake up knowing them? Did you dream about a hippopotamus?
Please tell us if you dreamt about a hippo.
I would honestly love to know that.
It's wild how our brains work. They're basically just sponges.
Very weird, very sleepy sponges.
If you guys liked this brain hack, you definitely want to subscribe.
Oh, 100%. We have so many more weird learning tricks coming up.
Next week, we're talking about learning languages with video games.
Yes, literally my favorite topic. I can't wait.
So make sure to hit that follow button right now.
Do it, and go take a nap, people.
See you next time. Keep learning.